to Cameron's cooking show. Today we're going to be making Tritip on the Kamado Joe smoker. First thing you need is avocado oil. Then we need Holy Gospel barbecue rub by the Meat Church. First thing we always need to do before cooking is to wash our hands. I'm actually going to get down. Ugh. Oh, it's important to wash hands. Washing. I accidentally made a mess. Oh. So, well, since we just applied the avocado oil with a brush, now it's time to add the rub. Make sure you don't open it from this side. That one's bad. Make sure you open it from this side. Okay? Add it all over the tri-tip. So you kind of just lightly tap it. Tastes really good. Now that we have applied it, we'll be right back.